Hi everyone, welcome back to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft. Today we're going to look at the difference between the X stitch and the V stitch in single crochet. And to show you what I mean, here is my derpy little K-pop tiger, which is going to be finished sometime soon. If we were to turn him in I'd say the correct way around for how I started, you will see that he was made with the V stitch. So everything's a V. V, but you see it starts to slant, V, V, V. You always get a slight slant. Whereas with the X, which I'm starting here, you see it's like an X, which actually ends up making the row more horizontal. So it's actually a lot easier for colour swapping. Let's show you an example. So in we go, yarn over, we'll make a V. In we go, yarn over, we'll make a V. Now to make the X, it's in we go, yarn under, then yarn over. So in we go, yarn under, then yarn over. In we go, yarn under, then yarn over. Now let's zoom in on that. As you can see, V, X, X. And as you can see better there, X and X are literally above each other, so it's a lot more horizontal, which does make colour swapping a lot easier. But neither of the ways are wrong. You can do whichever one you prefer. I prefer the X stitch because it can be sturdier, but to be honest, I forgot when making my tiger and just went with whichever my hand decided to do at the time. But don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorials. He will be coming soon, K-pop fans. And yeah, thanks for watching. Happy hooking.